It can feel like a mystery, this three-digit number that holds so much power over your financial life. You know it's important, but navigating the world of credit scores can be confusing. Maybe you've heard of services that offer free credit score checks, but you're hesitant to trust them. Well, what if I told you there might already be a tool at your fingertips to access your credit score? That's right. If you're a Rocket Money user, you might be surprised to learn this handy feature could be hiding in plain sight within the app. Intrigued? Let's crack the code and unveil how to check your credit score on Rocket Money. But before we dive in, let's take a quick step back. Why is your credit score important? Think of your credit score as your financial report card. It tells lenders, like banks and credit card companies, how responsible you are with borrowed money. A high score, generally considered above 720, indicates you're a reliable borrower, making you eligible for better interest rates and loan terms. Conversely, a low score, below 640, might raise red flags for lenders, leading to higher interest rates or even loan rejections. So, keeping an eye on your credit score is crucial. It allows you to monitor your financial health, identify any potential issues early on, and take steps to improve your score if needed. All right, back to Rocket Money. Now that we understand the significance of your credit score, let's explore how Rocket Money can help you access it. It's important to note that Rocket Money itself doesn't generate your credit score. However, it partners with a reputable credit bureau to provide you with this valuable information. Here's where things get exciting. Checking your credit score on Rocket Money, step by step. Open the Rocket Money app, fire up your smartphone or tablet and launch the Rocket Money app. If you haven't downloaded it yet, it's readily available on the App Store or Google Play Store. Navigate to the Credit tab. Once you're logged in, look for the Credit tab on the app's main screen. It might be denoted by a credit card symbol or simply labeled Credit. Find the Credit Score section. Within the Credit tab, locate the section dedicated to your credit score. This section might be titled Your Credit Score or something similar. Unlock the score. Here's where Rocket Money might require a little extra step. Some users might see their credit score displayed directly. However, others might need to take an additional step to unlock it. This could involve verifying your identity through a simple process or linking your bank account to Rocket Money if you haven't already. Understanding your credit score on Rocket Money. Once you've unlocked your credit score, take a moment to absorb the information. Rocket Money might provide a breakdown of your score alongside helpful insights. Here's what you might see. The actual score. This will be the big, bold number representing your current credit score. Score range. This might show the range within which your score falls, e.g., good or excellent. Factors affecting your score. Rocket Money might offer a glimpse into the different factors contributing to your score, such as payment history, credit utilization ratio, and credit inquiries. Taking action with your credit score. Now that you have your credit score in hand, what's next? Here are some ways to leverage this knowledge. Monitor progress. Checking your credit score regularly allows you to track its movement over time. Are you making positive strides? Identify areas for improvement. The breakdown of factors affecting your score can highlight areas where you can focus on improvement. Let's say your credit utilization is high. This could be a signal to pay down credit card balances or avoid maxing them out in the future. Dispute errors. If you find any errors on the credit report used to generate your score, Rocket Money might offer tools or guidance to help you dispute them with the credit bureau. Remember, Rocket Money is a tool, not a magic wand. While Rocket Money provides a convenient way to access your credit score, it's important to remember it's just one tool in your financial toolbox. Building and maintaining a good credit score takes time and consistent effort. Here are some resources that can help you on your credit score journey. AnnualCreditReport.com. This government-authorized website allows you to access a free credit report from each of the three